In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Sony Earbuds WF-C510 or WF-C700N with your iPhone or iPad device. It's very easy. Let's get started. First thing, we need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. So go ahead and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, select Bluetooth. From here, you're going to see all the Bluetooth devices that are currently connected to your iPhone. If you go down, it will be all the devices that are currently asking to get paired. To put the Sony earbuds into pairing mode, make sure both of them are inserted in the case. Close the lid, open the lid, and on the back you're going to notice there is a button. Press that button until the light over here is flashing blue. Right now I'm pressing it and I'm looking at the light. Here we go, it's flashing blue. I can release the button in the back. Now put them aside with the lid still open. And on your iPhone, you're going to notice that under other devices, there are your earbuds, WF-C510 or other models. Click on the name. And right now, you're going to see connected. That will be in the connected list. They'll also ask you to install the Sony app that will help you manage different features of these earbuds. I highly suggest you get this app if you have an iPhone and also if you have an Android, same thing. Now let me show you how the app works because you're going to miss out on many things if you don't get it. So over here, it asked me to download the app. And to bring me to the App Store, I'll press App Store. If you didn't get this message, don't worry, go on the App Store of your iPhone and then go and search for Sony Sound Connect, this app right over here. So I'll go ahead and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open. Select your country, select I read and start. Then press next, press agree and start using. Here you can select whatever choice you want. So I'll select ask app not to track. I'll press allow. And now it will try to connect to your earbuds. You're going to see the model of your Sony earbuds on the top over here. Press OK to confirm. Click later. Click continue without restoring. Here you can click close on the top right corner. And if there is a software update available for your Sony earbuds, it will tell you over here that there is one. And this is the main menu of the app. You're going to see the battery level left in the left and right earbuds. If you click on show, you can also see the battery left in the case. Right now it's at 20%. You can control ambient sound or off, or if you have noise cancelling option on your earbuds, you'll be able to select it over here too. And you have an EQ settings. This is very interesting. If you press on equalizer, you're going to have a few presets. If you click the small arrow over here, right now it's at off by default, but you can switch bright, excited, and other ones. You can even create your own custom EQ. And over here you have device settings. You also have other settings. If you go over here, device settings, you have a few different things that you can change. You can go through them, but the app is quite interesting if you have an iPhone or Android because it's things like the EQ that you cannot change directly on the buds themselves. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.